Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to know if someone is on another call on WhatsApp. First, let us make a call to a number. When you press the call button, you will see the word calling on the screen. Now, if it changes from calling to ringing, this means that the person is not on another call. Their phone is receiving your call, but they are not picking up yet. So ringing means the person is free, but just not answering at the moment. Now, if your screen only shows calling and it does not change to ringing, there are two possible reasons. The first reason is that the person is offline on WhatsApp. Maybe their phone is off or they are not connected to the internet. The second reason is that they are already on another WhatsApp call. So if you keep seeing calling and it never switches to ringing, there is a good chance they are busy on another call right now. So to keep it simple, ringing means the person is free but not picking up. Calling means they could be offline or already on another WhatsApp call. Thanks for watching.